In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. Auto-archive is a built-in feature that automatically moves older emails and items out of your active mailbox and into an archive file, helping keep Outlook faster and your mailbox size under control. Today we're using the classic Outlook desktop app. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. At the top left, click the File tab to open the Backstage view. From there, choose Options and in the window that appears, select the Advanced category. This is where Outlook keeps many of its housekeeping features, including Auto Archive. Scroll until you find the Auto Archive section, then click Auto Archive Settings. This opens the control panel for what runs, how often, and where those archived items go. First, turn the feature on by checking Run Auto Archive Every, and choose a schedule that fits your workflow. Every 14 days is a good starting point for most people, but you can adjust it any time. A shorter interval means your mailbox stays tidier more often. Next, confirm where Outlook will store your archived items. In the Move Old Items to field, you'll see the path to your archived data file, typically named Archive. PST. This is a local Outlook data file on your computer. Make sure it's saved in a location with enough free space and where you can easily back it up if needed. If you already have an archive file you use, ensure Outlook is pointing to that file. Now, customize how Auto Archive behaves. Turn on Prompt before Auto Archive runs if you'd like a quick reminder and a chance to postpone it when you are busy. Choose Archive or Delete Old Items so Outlook moves older mail to your archive rather than permanently removing anything. Then set the age limit that makes sense for you, such as 6 months. That means items older than 6 months will be moved out of your active folders and into the archive. Finally, check Show Archive Folder in Folder List. This makes the archive appear alongside your normal folders so you can browse and search those older messages whenever you need them. When everything looks good, click OK to save your Auto Archive settings, and then click OK again to close the Outlook Options window. That's it. Auto Archive will now run on the schedule you chose, quietly moving older items into your archive and keeping your mailbox running smoothly. If you ever want to tweak the schedule, location, or age limit, just return to File, Options, Advanced, and open Auto Archive Settings again. Thanks for watching.